Hey guys, how are you all doing? I'm Ankitha Nagaraj. I head the customer success team at SellerApp. Amazon has just rolled out a brand new PPC feature in the second week of November, which is product targeting. It's still in beta and it's pretty similar to the options available in Vendor Central AMS. So essentially you can target an entire category or subcategories and even specific products with this feature instead of just keywords. I think this is pretty brilliant because A, you can target an entire category with just one click, and B, unlike keywords, you can even target products that you want to bundle with, which was practically not possible with keywords because Amazon would show sponsored ads only for highly relevant keywords. Even if you tried adding irrelevant keywords in your backend search terms and check if they would get indexed or not, but you would have a limit of 250 characters, remember? So let's get started. So all you have to do is go to Advertising, Campaign Manager, create campaign, sponsored products. You can select a campaign name, start date, end date, daily budget. You'll have to choose manual targeting, ad group name, products. Now comes the interesting part. You'll have to select product targeting. Now if you selected a set of products, based on that Amazon will suggest a few categories. Otherwise you can search for certain categories yourself. So let's take an example of batteries. Let's say that you are selling a bunch of batteries, right? So you can target a whole lot of categories like health and household, electronics, camera and photo, tools and home improvement, appliances, and a lot more. Or you can dig deeper into each subcategory and choose the right space to show your sponsored ad. For example, you could choose flashlights, handheld flashlights as your target audience, right? All you have to do is go to Tools and Home Improvement, Safety and Security, Flashlights, and target handheld flashlight. Pretty simple, isn't it? So this is one way to go about it. Another way to go about it would be choosing individual products. So based on the products that you've chosen, Amazon will suggest some individual products, or you can search for products yourself. So let's assume that you are selling diaper bags. So you can either pick top selling diaper bags, although I wouldn't really suggest this because Amazon might show, there's no way to know what are the top selling diaper bags over here. So what you can do is head over to Amazon.com and select the top selling diaper bags from here, or you could even search for different products like baby bottles or baby clothes, anything, right? So let's say that I want to show my sponsored ad for a product like this one because it's bestseller. So typically the product will, the sponsored ad will show up over here, and all you'll have to do is select the ASIN, target it. That's it. Or you can a list of ASINs over here, and that's it. You launch the campaign. But on the flip side, you would probably end up spending a lot of money on unwarranted clicks as the target selection dilutes over the buying intent of the customers. So this would probably end up in high ACoS and wasteful spends. But that aside, I think this feature has a lot of promise. So why don't you guys give it a shot and share your experience in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And do shoot us an email at support@sellerapp.com. We're super excited to hear from you.